So are you ready to become a defender of your digital realm? Let's go. Okay, let's dive into this. I want you to think for just a second. When you step away from your tablet or your computer, what is the magical shield that keeps your favorite games locked up and totally safe? What makes absolutely sure that nobody else can just wander in and mess with your stuff while you're gone? Do you have a guess? Go ahead, shout it out right now. Did you figure it out? Well, if you guessed a password, you hit the nail right on the head. A password is a secret word or code that keeps your stuff safe. Just think of it like a real physical secret key that opens up a heavy locked door. Imagine if someone just walked right into your actual room and took your favorite toy. That would feel pretty terrible, right? Well, that is exactly what it's like if someone gets into your saved games. So instead of a front door to a house, this password protects your personal information. It protects things like your school accounts, your tablet, or all those awesome saved games you've worked so incredibly hard on. It keeps all of that hard work locked up tight and completely private. Because the golden rule of the internet is simply this: no password, no access. And honestly, this highlights exactly why passwords matter so much. Without this special secret key, no one can get in, period. Passwords keep all of our important stuff incredibly safe from other people who might want to snoop around or mess up our progress. It is literally your ultimate digital armor. When you have a good password, your digital castle is totally protected. So, the crucial point is, who actually gets to know about this key? Just like you wouldn't give the key to your real house to a total stranger on the street, you have to be very, very careful with your password. You should only ever share it with your parents, your teachers, and trusted adults. And here is the absolute biggest rule of the whole shebang. You should never, and I mean absolutely, positively never, tell your password to friends, classmates, or strangers. Always, always keep it a secret from them. Let's think about the difference between sharing with a trusted adult versus sharing with a friend. You see, when you share your secret key with a parent or a teacher, they're just helping you keep your account safe and sound. But if you share your password with a friend, even a really, really good friend, well, someone else could use your account without asking you first. Imagine your best friend accidentally spends all your hard-earned game coins, or, oh no, accidentally deletes your favorite character. Even if they didn't mean to do it, it totally ruins all your hard work. We definitely don't want that, which is why your password stays with you and your trusted adults. And this brilliantly illustrates what a weak password looks like. It gets a giant red X because a weak password is way, way too easy to guess. I mean, things like the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or literally just typing the word password are not safe at all. If your password is just password, a bad guy's gonna guess that in about 2 seconds flat. You also never wanna use your real name, like name123, or your actual birthday. Those are the very first things people will try to guess when they're trying to unlock your door. So instead, we need to remember this fantastic, top secret rule. A strong password is hard for others to guess. Come a little closer, because here is the real insider strategy. If the absolute best digital armor is something nobody else could possibly figure out, well, how do we make one? We have to get a little bit weird and a whole lot creative. We want to build a code so completely unique that only you and your parents know what it means. On the flip side, we give a giant green checkmark to awesome examples of strong, safe passwords. Things like Sunny7Cats or Muffins Dance 42. Notice how incredibly creative and fun those are? Think about Muffins Dance 42. There's no way a bad guy is ever going to guess that you're thinking about dancing muffins. They aren't real names, they aren't birthdays, but they are super memorable to the person who made them up. A really strong password uses a great mix of different, funny things to make it totally tough to crack. Let's move to and see how this builds when we actually sit down at the keyboard. Imagine your hands resting on the keys right now. Okay, here is the perfect recipe for typing a strong password. First, you find your home row keys. To make the very first letter a big capital letter, you hold down the Shift key and then carefully tap your letter. Second, you let go of Shift and slowly type some lowercase or small letters. Third, you reach up and add in some numbers. And fourth, you finish the whole thing off with a fun symbol like an exclamation point. Mixing uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols together, that makes the absolute ultimate shield. Now I have a magic number for you, and that number is 12. To keep your password truly safe and strong, you want to make it nice and long. A strong password should be at least 12 characters long. I know. Counting to 12 characters might seem like a whole lot of typing, but by using those fun, silly phrases we just talked about, like those dancing muffins, it's actually super easy to reach that magic number. And remember, the longer your password is, the stronger and thicker your digital castle's walls become. Wow, you did an absolutely awesome job today. You know exactly what a password is, who you can safely share it with, and exactly how to build a long, strong one to protect your personal information. And because you've completely mastered the secret key, the trusted adult rule, and the perfect password recipe, you are officially a password pro. So, I'll leave you with this final thought for our explainer today. What fun, safe password will you invent with your parents today? Now that you know all the top secrets, it's time to put them into action. Just remember, keep them long and strong, keep them totally secret from friends and strangers, and always ask a trusted grown-up if you're ever not sure about something. Go grab a parent or trusted adult right now, get super creative, and lock up that digital castle. Stay safe out there, password pros, and I'll see you next time.